Hey guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you guys having a very nice day. In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can get access to Dan ChatGPT. So first of all, just go to Google or any web browser and search for Dan ChatGPT. Now you can just go to this very first website. Now you just scroll. Now just click on this, the Dan 6.0 prompt. Now just copy all these and click on copy. Now just go to your ChatGPT page. Now just paste it and click on send, and now here you can see the ChatGPT is responding as Dan. So guys, that's how you can get access to Dan ChatGPT. Hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe Tech Team channel. Thank you very much for watching the video.